never do it. Parang ganyan, ha? Pinatakan ako. Mano-mano, IT pa.
Kumusta? Nick?
Yeah, wala.
Nick, Albert. Rad. I saw you before, I think. Yeah. Manny's already on his way.
Let's go.
Tara! Oh my God. Yo! Go! Okay, go. Oh my God.
Yun!
Ayun.
Ayos! Ayan na, naglalakad na lang. Yeah, that's the only way.
I think they have food and bonfire in by the creek.
They do?
It's what Rob said.
If we can make it there, my God.
We'll make it there.
Sige nga, Kuya Manny. Kaya mo yan. Make a track for us. You're up, man.
You guys can do it. You can do it. Ang baba ng pressure mo.
Bobo nga, no?
Pero okay lang yun kasi ang daming traction mo eh.
You need it. That's it. So that's it.
Kaya yun yan. May sumimplang na.
Down na. One down.
One down. You can do it. Si Kuya Manny. Ayun na. Bigo eh. Pahirapan tong sa kanya. Pero ang ganda ng picture. Wow, nice spot.
Kaya ako gusto nila fat bike kasi Grover.
Wala.
Sabi ko na eh, ready ako maglakad ngayon eh. Hey Jeff! You guys get the medical clearance? Rad, binumura na ako ni Rad ngayon. Takot ng Manny to.
Nananahimik siya.
Binumura na ako ni Rad. Akala ko nga, kaya na. Ang hirap pala o ba na, bumalik pag when you stop. Ito nga, hiking tayo ngayon.
Hiking tayo ngayon, Brad. Sightseeing.
Ay, kinakailangan ng waiver ha.
Jeff. Stop trying to pedal. It's not working. It's too deep. Parang dapat 3 na to ah.
Hello, everybody here?
Yup.
Picture guys.
Yeah, suffer together.
Oh yeah, look.
I-selfie mo. Oh.
So, Manny. Wait ka.
Tama ka. Selfie.
2, 3. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 1. Okay. Everyone's here. Thank you.
Ayan na, point man. Sige pre.
Tayo ang groomers ah.
Ay. Here we go. Saan si Manny? Oh, shit. Nice. Oh yeah. Oops. That's too damn deep. Dude, the trees are too high. Whoa. Oh my God. Too deep. Hop.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, you can pedal through here.
This is hard.
You can pedal. Pwede na.
Yeah.
Pwede na.
Groom na direct.
Yeah. Go ahead, guys. Go ahead. Oh, sabon. Okay. You can do it. You can pedal through here. You can do it. Wala na iba.
I'm okay sometimes, but the trees are on the way.
Oops. Yan. Come on. Ayan. Wala. Eto na.
Go ahead.
No, you go ahead. Whoa. Whew. Whoop. Oh shit. Wala. Close. Come on. Whoa. Oh. Ah,
You got more behind you, or that's it?
I got 3 more guys, but I don't know if they turn back.
No, yeah.
Probably turn back, dude. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, hello. Thanks. Whoop. Ah. That's okay. Ah. There's 3 more guys behind me, but I don't know if they turn back. Thank you.
Alright, man. Good luck.
Walk-a-thon.
Yeah. It's getting better. It's getting better.
Need more groomers. Whoa. Pabugati kamay.
Metal here.
Go. Whew. Power, power, power. Wala rin si Jeep.
May hit mo yung ano,
Ha?
yung side na just slide yun.
It's okay. you're gonna hit your head on the trees.
No.
Brain injury tayo dito. It's like, the trees are too high.
Snowblower na lang sana ako. Kaya nga, dapat mobile tayo, no? Yung mauna. So did you guys prove that side of the train? Yes. Okay, go for it.
That didn't sound very real.
Calm down, thank you guys.
Did you have a bonfire?
What's up, Nick? Come on. Nick. I'm good. Oh, you see better over there. That's it'll be better. No, he was there. We got a group.
Nice over here. Thank you much.
We went this side. We only go in. We only go in. Go ahead and be this one. We'll follow you later. We'll follow you guys.
We're going for you guys.
That's section, so you're good. You're already vlogging, huh? Okay. This one this morning. That was. How far did you guys make? How far did the whole thing? You did the whole thing? Nick, there's at least one track down. Oh yeah?
Tamang sinasabi mo, masarap patumba.
Matumba ka talaga palagi.
Don't stop yourself from falling. Enjoy the falling.